In today's video, we'll explore 12 common money traps that can derail your progress and show you how to sidestep them. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting your financial journey, these insights will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Let's dive in and make sure you're fully prepared to avoid these pitfalls and make smart money moves in the year ahead. Number 1. Not having financial goals. Without clear financial goals, your saving and investing efforts can lack direction. It's like having money but not knowing what you're working towards. Setting specific and achievable objectives is crucial. Whether saving for a house, planning a dream vacation, or securing a comfortable retirement, having a target gives your financial actions purpose and focus. If you're unsure where to begin setting goals, start by identifying what you want to avoid. For instance, you might want to avoid debt, stress, or feeling financially restricted. Turning these negatives into goals to steer clear of can be a great starting point. This way, you're moving away from those unwanted situations and working towards a more stable financial future. Number 2. Not investing. Leaving your money in a low-interest savings account might not be the wisest move. With inflation on the rise, your money might lose value if it's not keeping pace. This trap could hinder your savings potential, as it's not maximizing your returns. When investing, it's crucial not to overcommit to a single asset. It's easy to concentrate heavily on one investment, like company stocks or inherited bonds. However, diversifying across various investment types has its benefits. A diverse portfolio can weather market volatility better because each investment may respond differently to market or economic changes. For instance, if international stocks take a hit due to geopolitical events, US bonds might rise, balancing your overall returns. So, you need to ensure that you have investments in different sectors, industries, and geographic areas for diversification. Once you've established a diversified portfolio, regularly review it to ensure it aligns with your investment objectives. If you're new to investing, consider joining an investment group. It offers valuable insights, education, and networking opportunities that can be beneficial. Number 3. Not having an emergency fund. Imagine your car breaks down unexpectedly or you're hit with a sudden hefty medical bill. Without an emergency fund, these sudden expenses could seriously restrain your finances. You might use a high-interest credit card or borrow money from relatives to cover these costs. Still, both options come with added expenses and could set you back, forcing you to dedicate time and resources to paying off these debts instead of focusing on your financial goals. The smart move is to build that emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' living expenses in a separate account. It might seem a hefty goal, but it doesn't have to happen overnight. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck to this separate account to steadily build your fund over time. Remember to increase your savings rate as your income and living expenses increase. If this appears challenging, contact your bank for assistance setting up this fund. The key is to automate the process and forget about it until the time comes when you need it. Number 4. Not budgeting. Operating without a budget is like navigating unthinkingly. You're unaware of where you're headed until you hit a roadblock. A budget is your financial guide, helping you monitor income, manage expenses, and steer toward your financial objectives. The most valuable data for crafting your budget comes from your spending habits. Review your past bank statements to understand where your money went last year and set realistic targets. If you haven't crafted a budget yet, creating one for 2024 is a smart financial move. A clear plan for your money, which you can update regularly, is essential. You could dedicate 2 hours a week to assess your budget and find ways to adjust it to fit your circumstances better. Number 5. Putting off saving for retirement. In your 20s, prioritizing retirement can be challenging. The idea of retirement feels distant, and budgeting daily expenses while kickstarting a career is tough. As you transition into your 30s, new priorities, like saving for a house, emerge, making it hard to save for retirement. The truth is, it might never feel easy, but it's always necessary. So, as soon as you begin a new job, join your employer's 401k plan if not already enrolled. If your employer doesn't provide one, set up an individual retirement account and automate monthly deposits. By not getting used to having that extra money in your paycheck, you won't feel its absence when it goes straight into retirement savings. Starting early gives your earnings a chance to grow through compounding, potentially increasing your savings faster. Number 6. Not planning for taxes. Ignoring taxes is like setting a time bomb. The last-minute rush during tax filing season can trigger stress and anxiety, impacting sleep, productivity, and overall well-being. Planning lets you gather documents, organize finances, and uncover potential deductions and credits often missed in a rushed process. Moreover, putting off tax responsibilities limits time for a thorough review, increasing the chance of mistakes that could trigger an audit. Rushing may also hinder proper research on tax-saving options, leading to less effective options for reducing tax liabilities. The smart move is to stay on top of taxes year-round, track expenses and deductions diligently, and connect with a trusted tax professional to handle the complicated details. Let them devise a plan for you to follow. While getting professional help might seem costly upfront, it will save you significantly when tax season arrives. Number 7. Not having insurance. Both life and health insurance are crucial components of a sound financial plan, mainly if your dependents rely on your income. In the unfortunate event of your passing, life insurance provides a lump sum to your beneficiaries, supporting them with expenses like funerals, debts, and daily living costs. In other words, investing in life insurance secures your family's long-term goals even if you're not there to provide for them. On the other hand, health insurance covers medical costs, including doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescriptions. This helps prevent financial stress caused by unexpected medical emergencies. Health insurance also grants access to top-notch health care facilities and specialists, ensuring the best possible treatment and care. Given the consistent increase in healthcare expenses, having health insurance is crucial for managing these costs and protecting your financial plans from potential disruptions. So, get insured. Cover your health, car, and home. It's not just a smart move, it's necessary. If it feels overwhelming, consider hiring a broker to assess the best options for your situation. While it might cost more upfront, it can save you thousands in the long run. Number 8. Credit cards. Credit card companies are well aware of our love for freebies. They dangle these enticing offers, hoping you'll take the bait. Those freebies that come with signing up seem tempting, but they often lead to a mountain of debt before you realize it. So, when these attractive offers come your way, it's best to resist the temptation. And those supposed reward points they offer, whether airline miles, cashback, or discounts, they're just a ploy to encourage more credit card usage, which can lead to increased debt. When you factor in taxes and hidden fees, the rewards often don't hold the expected value. It's not wise to play into the credit card company's strategy, it isn't worth it. Number 9. Buy now, pay later. The digital installment plan is one of the most popular money traps. This scheme allows you to buy something you desire but can't afford by paying a portion of the price up front and the rest through installments over 6 weeks until it is fully paid off. While many buy now, pay later brands advertise no interest, they catch you with late fees. To avoid this financial pitfall, it's crucial to only purchase what you can manage to pay for. Instead of spending money you don't have on something you'll likely lose interest in shortly, consider waiting until you have the cash available. Number 10. Not checking your credit score. Your credit score serves as your ticket to financial opportunities. Neglecting it could result in unpleasant surprises, such as loan rejection, especially when you need support the most. Regularly checking your score is crucial, as it's a proactive way to tackle issues before they spiral into more significant problems. That's why it's wise to include this as one of your annual financial goals. To make things easier, consider involving your accountant. Have a conversation with them to devise a strategy for boosting your score, and then take the necessary steps to implement that plan. Effectively managing your finances involves more than just making the right decisions, it's also about avoiding mistakes. Awareness plays a crucial role in steering clear of these pitfalls. Fortunately, this video highlights common financial traps to avoid this year. Spotting these errors early on enables you to take proactive steps to tackle them, preventing them from hindering your financial goals down the line.